We'll guide you through how to use Netlify Edge Functions in your web projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the site's dashboard where you want to add the Edge functions. Look for the Functions tab in the left sidebar and click on it. This is where you'll manage all your serverless functions. To create a new Edge function, you need to have the Netlify CLI installed on your machine. Open your terminal and make sure you are in the root directory of your project. Type Netlify init to link your local project to a Netlify site. Then, you can create a new Edge function by running Netlify functions, create. You'll be prompted to choose a template or create a custom function. Follow the prompts to set it up. Your function file will typically be in the Netlify/functions directory, where you can edit it with your desired logic. Once your function is ready, you can deploy it by running Netlify deploy. This will push your changes to Netlify's cloud, making your Edge function live and ready to use. Remember, Edge functions allow you to run serverless functions closer to your users, which can improve performance for dynamic content. If you need to test your functions locally before deploying, use the command netlify dev, which will spin up a local server for you to test things out. And there you have it. Your Netlify Edge functions are good to go, enhancing your site's dynamic capabilities at the edge. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.